Welcome to Lat Krabang, Thailand, a place where modern design meets vibrant culture. Today, we're exploring the Sales Gallery, a beautifully designed space that captures both creativity and charm. As we step outside, the first thing that catches your eye are the colorful pinwheels and bright flowers, adding a playful touch to the sleek glass and concrete structure. It's the perfect balance of nature and modern architecture. Surrounded by lush greenery and carefully landscaped gardens, this space feels refreshing, welcoming, and full of positive energy. The colorful details instantly brighten the atmosphere. So whether you're here to discover new projects, enjoy the beautiful design, or just soak in the atmosphere, the Sales Gallery at Lat Krabang is a place worth visiting.